Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge Stairs. I am back with something new this week. Today I am going to share a famous tale of Akbar and Birbal with you all. But before that, if you have not subscribed to Knowledge Stairs till now, then press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you will be updated whenever I come up with a new project. So, let's start. Akbar used to play chess with Birbal almost every evening. One evening, when Birbal won the game, Akbar was very pleased with Birbal's game and so offered him a grand reward. Ask anything and you shall receive. I am rich enough to satisfy your most cherished desire, said Akbar. Birbal was hesitant, but when forced by the emperor, said, "Your Highness, I would like to have few grains of wheat in 64 squares of the chessboard. But it should be in such a way that 1 grain of wheat in the first square, 2 in second square, 4 in third square, 8 in fourth square, 16 in fifth square, 32 in sixth square, and so on for all the 64 squares." Grains? Is that all what you want? I thought you will ask for some gold or some garden or a palace, responded Akbar. Birbal, your request is not worthy of my generosity. Anyway, your desire will be fulfilled. He called his minister and asked to complete the Birbal's wish. Soon, the minister was back and was badly sweating. "What happened?" asked Akbar. "Why didn't you give him that he asked for? After all, he asked for so little." The minister replied, "My lord, he didn't ask for little. The way he asked to give the grains in the 64 squares will take away all your treasure." "What?" questioned Akbar. "Yes, my lord. If the number of grains are given in the way as Birbal asked for, then in the 64th square, the total number of grains will be 9, 223, 372, 036, 854, 775, 808. And when the number of grains in all the 64 squares will be added, then the total will be equal to 18 quintillion, 446 quadrillion, 744 trillion, 73 billion, 709 million, 551,615 grains, which is equal to 1199,000,000,000 metric ton, which is 1,645 times more than the total world's production of wheat. Now friends, what was the point of discussing this story today? Actually, this story reflects today's condition very well and explains how the coronavirus spreads. This virus spreads geometrically. One person can easily transmit it to other person, and in a span of few days, thousands of people are infected. 28,58,489 persons have been infected till now. The best way to fight with this disease is to stay home and stay safe. This way we can save many people, even many thousands of people, from contracting the virus. Now, the most important part of the video: how to calculate the value in each square. If we look at these values properly, we will find that these values are nothing but the calculated values of the power of 2. In the first square, we have 2 with the power of 0, which is equal to 1. In the second square, we have 2 with the power of 1, which is equal to 2. Likewise, in the third square, we have 2 with the power of 2, which is equal to 4. Then 2 to the power of 3 equals to 8. 2 to the power of 4 equals to 16, and so on. That means in the last column we have 2 with the power of 63. Just use your calculator and solve it. So friends, hope you have enjoyed the video. Now a similar question for you all. Instead of the squares of the chessboard, if Birbal would have kept the same condition in front of Akbar while playing chopper, then how many grains he would have got? Solve it, share it with your friends, and write your answer in the comment box below. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Stay updated for a new logic every week. Goodbye, good luck.